Hey, it's David with D Wood Reviews. Today I want to review the General Pen Style Moisture Meter. This meter comes with a 9-volt battery that comes in the pack, comes with 2 pins that will stick down into the wood, which will then give you a readout to the moisture level. It also has indicators on here for low, mid, and high, depending on the type of wood you're checking and what the level should be. Let me show you how we use it. Okay, hit the power button, and right now it is set to wood, if you can see that. And what you will do is, I've got a piece of hardwood maple here. You simply take the 2 pins, stick it in, and it'll show the moisture count reading in the wood. I've been using this meter for a while and I really do like it. It works really good. The pins do leave slight little holes in the wood, but in most cases that's not a big deal, especially if you're buying wood that you're going to end up planing down or sanding. This meter sells on Amazon, and you can find a link down in the description down below.